I think this is a forum from Bankers Club in collaboration with PBD, a media house, to reach as a discussion model amongst the bankers, amongst the invitees like entrepreneurs, industrialists, to educate the process and take some conclusion for policy changes and awareness among the bankers. The participants here are primarily the bankers, members of the Bankers Club, who consists of Reserve Bank of India, the regulator, and the bankers. There are about 28 bankers. So all the outcome of the discussion will be deliberated, and this will educate the bankers for furthering their knowledge and to implement for the benefit of the banking as a whole. This improvement, when it is put to use, will benefit further in the quality of banking and quality of help that is rendered to the entrepreneurs. First, Financial Services Department, Government of India and Reserve Bank of India, both are working in the direction for a robust financial inclusion. What is a financial inclusion? Is every Indian should be connected to the banking sector, should be connected to the banks, and should open their account, should transact through the banks. For that, each rural sector area has to be connected with a bank. Now, for that, government has already extended and reduced the process of licensing for going into and opening branches in the rural areas. In the recent past, at least for the last 2 years, the number of banks that is opened in the rural areas have been almost 40% of the base at which they started 2 years back. Secondly, where the bank branches are not available or the people are not able to reach, there is a new model of banking correspondent which has also come, and that banking correspondent will reach the rural population, open their account, receive money, and this is a virtual banking where they will receive money, they will deposit in the bank, they will also disburse as and when required. Also, the concept of mobile banking, that is, the branch will move or the extension of a branch will move through a mobile van where entire transaction can be done through that mobile van. So government has already taken a big step in the direction of financial inclusion, and that financial inclusion is in a very advanced stage. I think in next couple of years you will find the entire population will be covered through the banking, and once that is covered, transacting beyond savings account and withdrawal of account, extending for the loan facilities will also be much easier. And banks and the government through various forums are educating the rural masses for connecting to the banks and explaining the benefit for them. Industrial growth rate among industrial growth is lopsided in favor of mining and mineral based industry, which is largely mega and also the power sector. Amaro jo MSME growth among non-metal industry growth एटा लैकिंग रोची एवं एइथर ग्रोथ हवा दरकार एवं एंसिलरीज एवं डाउनस्ट्रीम इंडस्ट्री जोटा वैल्यू एडिशन जो थे बेसी एम्प्लॉयमेंट हो पार जोटा सस्टेनेबिलिटी रही पार ता उपरे ध्यान देवाई समस्ते चिंता कले एवं आशा करा जाउची यदि एथिरे आमे कृतकार्य हेबु ताले एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज आहरी बहु मात्रा बढ़ी जिवो। जथा गुरगांव रे कौन सी स्टील प्लांट नहीं कि पावर प्लांट नहीं, किंतु सेठी मारुति इंडस्ट्री रो मेन बेस रोची, जेहेतु मारुति रो मेन बेस रोची तेणु बहुत गुडे डाउनस्ट्रीम बैकवर्ड फॉरवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन ए सब रहिबा द्वारा एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहु मात्रा रे बढ़ुची एवं सेठी जो इंडस्ट्री माने रहउचंती से माने मध्य सस्टेनेबिलिटी रोची। तेणु आमको किसी वैल्यू एडिशन उपर चिंता करिया को पड़िबो। दे आर ऑल मूविंग इन द सेम डायरेक्शन। जिते इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटी बढ़िबो सेते जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी बढ़िबो। इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ इज नेसेसरी, इज एसेंशियल फॉर इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ। आपण देखुथिबे जेतेबेले इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथटा स्लो हो जाए सेतेबेले इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथटा भी स्लो हो जाए, जीडीपी ग्रोथटा भी फॉल करे। तेणु इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ इज एसेंशियल फॉर इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। एंड व्हेन देयर इज एक्टिविटीज, when there is a industrial growth, there is requirement of more people, the job opportunity is increased and it creates employment opportunities. Intellectual discussion is always a healthy trend, and this trend will definitely go a long way in strengthening and also taking things forward in the direction. So I am confident this conclave will help in a big way. Further, the connect between government, entrepreneurs and bankers will also help to take things forward. I think there should be more activities of this nature. There should be more vibration from banker side, from the government side, from the entrepreneur side, so that an ideal and good atmosphere prevails in the state, whereby more entrepreneurs take interest to set up their base, set up industries. More facilitators and more facilities should be created for exploiting the resources, for exploiting the opportunities, so that the gross product development and the development, economic development at large takes place.